Hi guys, how you doing? It's your girl Nadia. I'm coming at you today again. Um, just to show you my crochet, how I do my crochet. Uh, this I'm using the jumbo uh, twist crochet braids. Crochet twist. It is 24 inches long, and here I am just securing my cornrows with the crochet at the same time so that it don't show. So by the way, these cornrows are really small. If you want to do it the front, you can do the front small like that, but the back you don't need to make it small. This one I had somebody did it for me, that's why I let them do it. So what I did, I have been taking it a little, two at a time on the back after I secure my the ends of my hair in cornrows. That's what I did. So yeah, um, I'm gonna show you the back in a minute. Here we go. It's all covered up. Now we can jump and just go ahead and do the, yeah, like that. And yeah, just keep on crocheting until the front is the main, the very important part that you want to focus on. The back, you don't want to put too much hair on the back, especially this hair is really, it's not heavy, but it's just really puffy. So if you're like me, you need to put your hair in ponytail for work. You don't want to put a lot in the back. Excuse me guys. So yeah. Over here, I am almost done with the one side of the front, which I'm using this ombre silver uh, crochet twist. I decided to mix it, but then I say, let me just put everything in the front and put the number one bead in the back. So here is how you undone maybe one twist the top and just trying to have a room to hook it to the crochet. It's really easy, but it looks it was hurting me a little bit because my cornrows was really tight. It was just a normal cornrow, then I decided to put the crochets in. So if you guys want to do it, you want to do it really loose. Don't do it tight like me. It hurts really bad. Crochets are not supposed to be tight. The cornrows not supposed to be tight when it comes to crochet hair. So guys, as you can see, it's getting full at the front. My go-to style here is mohawk because I don't want to crochet all my head. It's gonna be really full and it's too much on my head. So it's not like it's heavy, but I just don't want a lot of hair on my hair. So I'm gonna just finish that middle second part, and yeah, we'll be done here, and you guys gonna see the finished product. And this style only took me about 40 minutes. It wasn't that hard, and when I was done I went ahead and I just had to do it because of my work. I had to put in ponytail and I wasn't able to do it. It was hard for me, so I took some off the back. And on the weekend when I'm off, I can go ahead and put them back in and just slay my twist, my jumbo twist crochet as it's supposed to be. So yeah, you will see my pictures, more pictures on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on my IG at Giving Beauty right there on the screen. So thanks for watching, guys. Continue uh, all the way through the video. I'm just gonna let you guys watch it. right here, guys. As you can see, I'm trying to put one more in the front, but then like I said, the cornrows was so tight, my crochet can even barely get in. So I don't want to put the hair through that. It might just yank my hair out of my scalp. So I decided to leave it like that until maybe when it gets loose a little bit, then I will put one more in. So that's what I was trying to do here. You'll see me trying to put it in and then decided not to. So that was my idea. So at this point it didn't look bad to me, but I know I could have insert one or two or on that area right there. So basically this is it. This is a finished product. Now I'm gonna try to style it for you guys.